Hey guys, so today we're gonna play Murder Mystery 2. So, as you can see on the share, Bang Bang! What Bang Bang is? Dang it, I missed! Yeah! Let's go! I got a badge! Yeah! That's what you get, I got a badge. Let's go. I got a badge and now I'm level 40. 40. Now I got the little silver thing. Now, cause nobody, this boy in level 100. No fair, cause he don't got no, excuse me. Get me out of here. Okay. I'm trying to, what is boy doing? Lanky box? No. Why are you wearing Lanky box? Why are you wearing Lanky box? I don't watch that. Okay, I'm not a hater, but innocent. Kidding me. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Anyways, look at this gun. What is Bacon lagging for? He lagging. What is up with this noob? See, he might be on Android. Don't ignore that. Man, somebody murdered. Somebody has to be murdered. It's probably that girl, or it's probably Bacon. No, it's I'm confused right now. It's probably that tiny. It's how he's spreading. Oh, cause he wearing that character. What is up with the laggy? What is up with the lagging and stuff? Okay. What is going? He just sprinted. So I don't understand who the murderer is. What a murder. Ignore that. So I dressed up as a noob. Cause I might dress. Yeah. I won. That's it. Alright, anyway. So it's actually him. Oh, this boy was pretty. But what happened to the what is the good? I'm not cussing. But ooh, look at this girl. Good. Let me check her thing. Hit inventory. She got a flower. Oh, I used to buy this in my old account, but I don't. This. Go. Okay. Oh, I wish I had this. The ice piecer and this set. Just kidding. I want this one. Why he dressed up as a candy cane? I'm confused right now. Is Bacon murder? It's Hellball. Is that boy? He sucked. I was about to say. Look at this girl. Yo. Another one. Okay.
Mario, we finna go outside.
Huh?
We finna go outside.
Oh, okay.
You coming?
I'm just wait a minute.
You don't want to play baseball?
Huh?
We finna play baseball.
I don't play baseball, but
You want to try? Cause I got my other glove in the car.
in the car.
Mhm.
Your mama car or
My mama car. Cause I got a new glove, so.
what happened to your other glove you had yesterday?
I got it. It's in the car.
Oh,
You want to use it?
yeah.
Come on. You're gonna have to put a coat on because it is cold. So.
Yeah, you have to put the jacket on. Buh. So that gun just gonna kill me. Hit it. Here we go. What is up with this bubble thing?
Where's my jacket?
Your jacket?
I took it off in here. Oh, sorry.
The black jacket. Oh yeah, you wanna play freeze and like you did tonight? Alright. Anyway, time to switch a game. Now let's play. Oh, what? Yay! They added a spring event. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, wow. Look at the menu. This. Wow. I like the way they did this. You could change. Wait, what did I say? I forgot. Even they got the look at. They got the springy torch thing, and they got new items. Like, look at this. What? What? That's crazy. That's crazy. What? Teleport to me again. There's no way they added this. Oh, that's how you won't get hurt if you don't return. Oh, that's how you do it. But how? You gotta. So you gotta collect some flowers. Oh, you gotta collect them. Here's some flowers. Children! No! Oh, they get the brown how? Now there's a lot of people in this game. Crazy. Where am I? Where is it? Oh, there you go. I'm on here. Let's go. Wait, and resetting my flowers though. Everybody garter it over. Oh. There you go. Move. Let's go. Okay. Anyway, I got the little boost thing. But I'm trying to collect some flowers. There you go one. Another one. Give me that. This spring event busting. Cause I like it when they add the mini game to it. Give me that. No! You stole my flowers. Free flowers on here. What is that boy stuck for? No! Oh! You're supposed to have whole 5 flowers and then you gotta return them to the little box. Do you get points when you do that? Watch. Let me see. There you go. Total score. They got a quest? The pot of gold. I didn't know. Let's play something else because it's boring. Now this is our last day. I mean game. Now let's play. You know what I'm gonna play? they got a baddie mode. Ooh, they got a fighting styles. Ooh. But they added that. Yeah, they added that Saturday. Wait, what time? What time? Man, not PM. Oh, so 2 o'clock. They added that 2 o'clock. Okay. Time for me to beat up people. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Goodbye. Okay. I'm gonna run. Hey. Give me that. Get out of here. Such a... Get out. Okay. Ooh, Kyrie. Oh. Okay. What is up with the chat? Move! Get out, bro. Move! Ugh! Tired of you. Get out. My kill. Move. Okay. No, thank you. Bruh. Ooh, I'm gonna die. Get your ugly self out of here. Got her. Too close. Yeah, I got another queen. I'm the queen. Okay, come here. No, you come here. You fat. Okay. Come here. I'm not a bully. I'm just looking at this stupid boy. I mean, girl. Get out. I think I killed that girl because she left and left the game after I killed her. Ah! Oh, bitch. No! I'm gonna die. Nah. Man, that girl sucked. And she stole my stuff. No, ooh, give me that. I want a toilet. So I could beat up those people with it. So they could become stink. What is it? What is it? I'm tired of you. Come here. You get up. Hey. Shit. Get out. Oh, she was watching. She was just watching. I was just kidding. They finna go, so. No. I'm finna die by this ball here. Get. Oh my god. Move. You stupid. And I'm finna die. Boom. Die. That's what it looks like. Yeah, out the baddie ball. You played this game before? I might show you. Oh, you already know. What it got? Oh, that girl killed me. As I know. Okay. Bro. No, I'm flipping. Like a Yeah. Why is she in the way?
Massive.
Nope.
The reward is not ready.
Stop looking through glasses right now.
Oh. What is up with Kyrie? Move.
Still breaking. No.
No. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Bro, I was so sleepy this morning, bro.
Carrot. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna.
Pirates up.
Okay. Alright, thanks for watching my video.